Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. He performed divination for Olókun. When Olókun arrived in the world, she was so beautiful that she didn't bother to inquire about her destiny. She was suffering, and men were afraid to approach her. Then she learned of the existence of Òṣé Méjì, and she went to him in search of divination. Òṣé Méjì invited one of his awos, named Jeje Muje, to carry out the divination for her. She was advised to offer a sacrifice with a goat to her guardian angel, a goat for a sou, a bag of money, and white cloth to the market. She quickly carried out all the sacrifices. She was also told that the reason she could not marry or have children was because the elders of the night, Agbalagba Ru, had their eyes fixed on her and had wrapped her whole being in a veil that made her appear repulsive to men despite her beauty. To wash away the spell of the veil over her, the awo told her to get a clay pot and a rooster. The awo gathered the sacred leaves called Ewe Iwo, known as Ebe Asifbogo in Bini, to prepare them for her bath. She was assured that as soon as she began to bathe with the pot, all her enemies would start dying one by one. She was taught the incantation, Ofo, that she must repeat every time she bathed with the pot. Soon afterward, the men and women whom she had trusted as confidants and close associates began to die one by one. Not long after, the Oba, king of the town, asked her to become his wife, and she accepted. Shortly after, she became pregnant and had several children. Her commercial activities became prolific, and her star spread wealth and prosperity over her husband and his empire.